Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode, we are going to be learning how to check your TikTok account's balance. Whether you are a content creator tracking your earnings or a viewer curious about your app balance, here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate TikTok's latest feature. First of all, launch the TikTok app open on your Android or iPhone. Once you're inside the homepage, log into your account and click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, you will be able to see several menus right underneath your bio. Click on the balance button at the top. Now you will be able to see this balance tab from where your estimated balance and coins will be shown. Click on view right next to estimated balance and you will be able to see your rewards or your total amount of balance on the screen. So that's how you can easily check your balance in TikTok. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.